Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Both the Shark Apex and Vertex are advanced upright vacuums with the DuoClean brush roll. Which is the best choice for you? Let's go ahead and find out now. At Modern Castle, we test all vacuums on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. Scores are given as a percentage of the total debris removed. On our test, Shark Apex and Vertex both achieved some of the highest scores we've ever seen. Both the Shark Vertex and Apex removed 99% of all debris across all floor types and debris types. On hardwood floors, Apex and Vertex both clean 100% of all debris. This is thanks to the soft roller brush roll, which is ideal for hard surface flooring. On low-pile carpet, the Apex was virtually flawless, leaving only minuscule amounts of kitty litter, sugar, and cereal. The Vertex was also effective on low carpet, struggling only slightly with sugar. High-pile carpet was a similar result, with Apex leaving behind only very small amounts of sugar and kitty litter. Vertex was able to completely remove everything except sugar on high carpets. Despite the debris left behind, it was an incredibly low volume by weight on both Apex and Vertex. On our hair removal test, Apex and Vertex are both able to remove most of the hair effectively, although some hair did get wrapped around the brush rolls. Despite the limitations at hair removal, both Apex and Vertex still did quite well given the difficulty at removing this quantity of hair. With respect to design, both the Shark Apex and Vertex have an incredibly solid build quality, and it's a noticeable step up from Shark's more budget-friendly vacuums, including the Navigator, Rotator, and others. The individual parts and materials feel like quality, well-built pieces. In addition, both Apex and Vertex include LED headlights, indicator lights on the handle, and adjustable cleaning modes. Apex and Vertex both feature the lift-away canister design that helps users reach all areas of the home. The middle section of the vacuum can be lifted off the cleaning head and used as a canister. Shark Apex is 46 inches tall, 12.2 inches wide, and 11.2 inches deep. It weighs 17.1 pounds. The Vertex is a similar size, measuring 46.5 inches tall, 12 inches wide, and 10 inches deep. It weighs slightly less at 16.4 pounds. The dustbin on the Apex is larger. It's able to hold 1.65 liters of debris, while the Vertex has a dustbin capacity of 1.1 liters. The DuoClean title refers to the 2 brush rolls. The Apex and Vertex both have a soft roller that is effective on hard surfaces and a rubberized spiral roller to help clean carpets and stubborn dirt. The brush rolls work together to agitate carpet fibers for improved performance while still providing a gentle clean for hard surfaces. If you're interested in purchasing the Apex or Vertex, we've got links in the description. The Vertex and Apex come with a HEPA filter and pre-motor foam and felt filters. The Apex includes an upholstery tool, crevice tool, and pet power brush. The accessories included with the Shark Vertex are the dusting brush, crevice tool, and pet power brush. The upholstery tool on the Shark Apex is ideal for cleaning both fabrics and upholstered surfaces like sofas. The dusting brush from the Vertex is used for dusting hard surfaces. The crevice tool is useful for corners and furniture, and the pet power brush is a mini motorized tool for removing pet hair from fabrics and carpets. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. Both the Shark Apex and Vertex have usability features that make them both convenient and effective. Changing the floor type setting can be done with a switch on the handle, which makes it effortless to clean different floor types. To use it as a canister, press the lift away release button and carry the canister off the base. The lift away canister makes it more portable and allows users to clean hard to reach areas more easily. On both the Vertex and Apex, the long wand allows users to clean under and behind furniture and reach into corners. The hose is 5.5 feet long and the power cord is 30 feet. While the Apex and Vertex are on the heavier side, they're still fairly maneuverable. They have a low center of gravity, can roll and turn well, and can lay completely flat against the floor, which is helpful for cleaning under furniture. Maintenance on both the Shark Vertex and Apex is about the same. The foam, felt, and HEPA filters can all be washed at home and reused. Simply rinse the filters with water and let them air dry before reinstalling in the vacuum. The self-cleaning brush roll resists tangles and will not need to be replaced under normal cleaning circumstances. Emptying the dustbin is simple and straightforward. Click the release button to remove the dustbin, then flip the tab to dump the contents out at the bottom. So, which is the best choice for you, Shark Apex or Vertex? The 2 models are incredibly similar. Size and weight are close to equal, and features and accessories are comparable. Cleaning test performance was nearly identical, with an overall score of 99.6% for the Apex and 99.4% for the Vertex. One difference is a larger dustbin on the Apex. Its capacity is 1.65 liters compared to the Vertex's 1.1 liters. Another difference is the cleaning head. The brush roll on the Vertex includes upgraded power fins. However, this didn't give it a better cleaning performance based on our tests. Some sources list a higher suction power on the Vertex, but again, this did not give it a better score on our cleaning tests. Finally, prices fluctuate for these models, but Apex is generally less expensive than the Vertex. For this reason, the Apex could be seen as a better value. Ultimately, both Apex and Vertex are fantastic vacuums. They're a notable step up in terms of build quality relative to Shark's Navigator and Rotator lines, and the cleaning performance for both the Apex and Vertex was incredible. Honestly, the differences between these two models feel pretty minor, so much so that in most cases I would recommend buying whatever model is the least expensive at that time. While on paper, the Vertex seems to have improved performance with the power fins and additional suction, these features didn't seem to change the cleaning performance relative to the Apex. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop those notes down below. Do you have a Shark vacuum at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the links in the description if you're interested in buying the Shark Apex or Vertex. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.